Alright, here's my 88 Camaro IROC 350 tune port. Right now I'm having some issues. I'll start it up just to show what it's doing, if it does it. Let's see if it does what it's been doing lately. Okay, well basically sometimes before I'll start it, I'll have it on but not running, and the check engine light will just flash intermittently, like there's a loose connection or something. But it doesn't seem to be doing it now, so I'll start it up. We'll see what it does. Start it up, immediately the check engine light's on. It's idling where it should be. The engine's cold. Everything seems to be good except for the light being on. But it is misfiring as well. I'll rev it up and you can listen to it stumble. So it doesn't want to rev up. You can rev it slowly, but it just kind of falls on its face when you give it a little bit of gas. And then the light will go away, it'll come on, go away. And the car dies. And see, you can see it flickering there. The car is off, yet the check engine light's flickering. I'm thinking it's a bad ICM or the memcal in the computer. I've checked a few grounds. I've checked the main ground strap on the engine. Seems fine. Occasionally, it'll run fine. It's been acting up about the past month or so, where intermittently it will act up like it has been. Usually in the morning, when it's cold, I'll start it up. Check engine light might come on for a second, go away, and it'll run fine. Later on in the afternoon, after the car's been sitting, I'll start it up. Check engine light will come on. Sometimes it'll go away, but then I'll be driving and sometimes it'll pop on and the car will sputter, but then the light will turn off and it'll be fine. Other problems I've had where this only happened one time, but about a week ago I was driving the car. Every time I'd come to a stop, the car would die. The next day, the car was fine. No problems at all. As you can see now, the car's idling perfect. Not misfiring at all, not sputtering. So, if anybody has any advice on where to look before I start changing the computer and all that. And also, it's not storing any codes in the computer. Using the paperclip method, trying to read a code, just blinks a 12 over and over again. So it's not storing any codes. So It's not pointing me in any direction other than bad computer or bad chip. Alright, well, that's it for now. Leave comments. Alright.